Drinking beer in a cabaret, and was I having fun?
This is Tommy. Tommy's about to learn a very valuable lesson about the structure of cells. Hey Tommy, did you know that all living things are made up of cells? That sounds great, doesn't it? Hey Tommy, did you know that there are over 100 trillion cells in your body? That's right, Tommy. That's more than you can count in a year. So don't even try. Hi kids, I'm Dr. Mr. Aaron Lively, MD, and I'm here to talk to you about cells. There are 3 basic parts to the cell theory. Well, now that you know the 3 basic parts of the cell theory, you're ready to learn the parts of a cell.
An animal cell is made up of a nucleus, a nucleolus, a nuclear envelope, a rough endoplasmic reticulum, a Golgi apparatus, centrioles, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondrion, a cell membrane, and ribosomes. Plant cells have a cell wall, a chloroplast, and are more likely to have a vacuole than animal cells.
The nucleus contains chromosomes and directs all cell activities.
Lively, you might have.
John is acting as a nucleus here. He's controlling all the activities that go on in the room.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a tubular passageway for proteins.
Oh, hey kids! This is an example of the tubular passageways for proteins, or rough ER. Listen, man, could you just do me a favor? I mean, just shoot right there. Hey, kids, this right here, this is an example of the tubular passageway for lipids, or the smooth ER. The Golgi apparatus processes and packages substances. Hey Tommy, you didn't forget Tommy, did you guys? I see you packing that box there, Tommy. Hey, well, guess what? Golgi apparatus is a lot like packaging that box. It packages and processes substances produced by the cell for export.
The mitochondrion is the site of cellular respiration. It's the powerhouse of the cell.
The mitochondria is like a woman. She has to prepare all of the necessary materials that the family needs to survive.
The cell membrane is a protective barrier that allows certain substances to enter and leave the cell.
The cell membrane is much like a bouncer at a club. It controls what comes in, as well as what stays out.
Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. They are the most numerous of the organelles in the cell.
Nazis, man. They're like antibodies and enzymes. They just keep fighting me off. I'm just hormonal. Like a ribosome.
A cell wall is found only in plant cells. It offers protection and support.
The cell wall is responsible for protecting the cell, much like this scenario here.
The chloroplast is found only in plant cells. Chlorophyll captures radiant energy to produce sugar.
This is an example of a chloroplast. It contains chlorophyll, which takes in the sun's energy and produces sugar.
Cilia are short hair-like structures used by the cell for movement.
This wiener dog has surgically implanted cilia to help it move around.
Flagellum is a whip-like structure used by the cell for movement.
This is a wiener dog with surgically implanted flagellum.
The lysosome is the garbage disposal of the cell.
Here is an example of a garbage disposal, which is essentially the same thing as a lysosome.
Cytoplasm is the space within a cell where no organelle is present. Many biological reactions occur here.
John's bike gets him from one area to another, much like cytoplasm does with organelles. However, this one, not so well.
The vacuole is found mostly in plant cells. It stores food, water, and waste products.
Not vacuum, Tommy. Vacuole. Vacuoles store food, water, and waste. Haha, Tommy, you're so silly. Tommy now knows his stuff. He knows everything that is needed to know about cell structure. Now, Tommy can get about with his life. Attaboy, Tommy.